Nestled in the bustling basement of the Landmark is the vibrant food haven that sits right next to the supermarket. With its spacious layout and a mouth-watering variety of food options, it's a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. The Landmark Food Center offers a diverse menu with low to medium-priced food options, including North Luzon cuisine, like shrimp-flavored boiled veggies and pork blood stew. The seating area, although narrow, is ample and reasonably clean, with efficient cleaners ensuring tidy tables. Whether it's a quick bite or a late dinner, this food center provides many choices for satisfying meals at reasonable prices. The cleanliness of the place adds to the overall appeal, making it a delightful spot to grab a bite. Visitors enjoy the variety of kakanons available for dessert and find the prices reasonable for a satisfying meal experience. Just a heads up, if you're visiting on a weekend, expect a lively crowd of supermarket shoppers, all eager to enjoy the fantastic affordable eats. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.